This one is a Popino LED profile. This is only for 12mm and height 7mm. Okay, can we guess we can put this connector into the profile or not? Okay, let's try it. Okay, so this one is no problem at all. You can see it's no problem at all. And this part, okay, sure, it's also no problem. You see this. Okay, now we'll see the light. Okay, we will see the light, how it works. Okay. We will try this COB LED strips with the crystal connectors with our other profile. We put inside, okay? It's also no problem. We put it into this profile. Okay, so we can see the light is very beautiful, no darkness at all. So where is the connector? You cannot find it. Okay. Okay, here. We can see connector is here.